Hello YouTube, it's your girl oshaNATAE here, and today I'm coming to you guys with a makeup look. It's definitely not a holiday look, but it's definitely something different. A lot of the products I used was only $1 from oshaNATAE. Video is not sponsored, but I just want you guys to know a lot of their products are really good. I used some of their concealer. I used this one in honey, and I used this one in suede. And I used what else did I use? I used their kohl liner, or gel liner. I used that. What else did I use? I used their setting powder. I used their eyeliner. I used a lot of their products today in this video. I list everything I used down below, and I linked them as well if they're still in stock. Yeah, so this was supposed to be a holiday look. Oh, and the main thing I actually used too, I dropped it, hold up. In the main event, I used this eyeshadow quad, and I only used these two eyeshadows here. I only use these two eyeshadows. This eyeshadow quad is called Fairy Garden, and this is what it looked like. And this is the, I had to get that thumbnail real quick. You know, this is the eyeshadow quad that I used for the eyeshadow look today. I used the quad, and I also used like y'all seen in the haul yesterday, I got some single eyeshadows from there as well. So I used this one. All of these eyeshadows are from oshaNATAE. I used them. I bought these ones at the top here a long time ago, and I bought these ones. Well, I bought these a long time ago, this one a long time ago, and I just got these ones. So all of these and this one, I just got those. So I used this brown shade right here in the shade Rich, and this purple one, I don't know what this is called. This is called, oh, these don't even have names on them anymore, or those old ones don't even have names on them. But I use this dark purple shade, and I use this brown shade for like to make it a little smoky a little bit, and then use the other brighter shades from the palette there, from the quad. But yeah, this is the finished look. This is how it came out. I really like their products. I think they're really good products for the price, especially when you don't want to break the bank. Definitely beginner friendly if you just want to try out some things to figure out what really goes for you. I definitely recommend to oshaNATAE. But yeah, if you guys want to see how this look came out, just stay tuned and see how I got it.